Moberly man is charged after running from police and getting caught with drugs. Good evening, I'm Daniel Wynn. Jillian is on assignment. We told you last night Moberly police arrested 26-year-old Jordan Taylor. ABC 17's Lindsey Burning is joining us live now from Moberly, where he was arrested. And Lindsey, police found Taylor hiding behind a shed.
They did. Officers actually found Taylor hiding behind this shed in the 800 block of Myra Street after speeding away from an officer who tried pulling him over. Today, I spoke to residents who saw officers pull what looked like drugs from Taylor's car not far from their homes.
The drug problem has gotten so bad in Moberly. It concerns me.
Just before 4 o'clock Monday, a Moberly police officer noticed Jordan Taylor driving near Haygood and Rollins Streets, and the officer knew Taylor had a revoked driver's license.
And the officer attempted to make contact with the individual. He was in a heavily trafficked area with pedestrians, children, and the subject took off.
A short time later, the officer found Taylor's vehicle in the 800 block of Myra Street and called for backup. The two officers found Taylor hiding behind a shed not far from the car. Officers arrested Taylor and searched the vehicle. Inside, they say they found several bags of methamphetamine, marijuana, packaging materials, and digital scales.
I happened to look out my side yard and I noticed two police cars over here. And they were searching through this blue van. They were searching it thoroughly and they took several bags out.
Taylor reportedly admitted to having meth in his car and told detectives he had been selling it to make up for being laid off. I spoke to the man living at the home where officers found the car. He tells me Taylor's his best friend and he's made some bad choices. He says he's upset Taylor came to his house and put his family at risk. Nearby residents tell me they're worried for what seems like a growing problem in Moberly.
Meth is a terrible drug, and I know these kids are using it and buying it, and I just don't want to see any kid die.
Taylor has pleaded guilty to 5 misdemeanor charges in the past, including a couple of minor drug charges. Reporting in Moberly, Lindsey Burning, ABC 17 News.
And Taylor is in the Randolph County Justice Center tonight on a $100,000 bond. Well, we're